Alright, this is Mark with Hydro Services, and I am at 2406 Pine Forest Lane in Humble. I just jetted this line for the laundry machine, and it goes past the kitchen sink. We're going to attempt to go through this line. It's rather small. I don't believe we'll be able to get through it, simply because of the size it is. And there's a P-trap at the bottom of this. 95% of these we can never get through. Okay, I got through it. Ooh, very tight. It's a small line. Okay, there was a blockage in the line. We're just going to make sure everything's okay with the line. It's clean. They cut all the debris out. Flow tested it. Alright, we're going to see if we can run some water through this. Okay, we run hot water through there. That's what we had. Line is open and flowing. Okay, there's where your sink comes in. So the line is good from here to there. Everything's open and clean. You can see how clean it is. So we're going to go to 40 feet and stop. Alright, everything's good. Just needed to be cleaned out good. This is Mark with Hydro Services, and this is it.